MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader4. You cannot use this on the Rife platform, and it is not meant for MetaTrader5. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory or any other news aggregator to be sure there's no any news coming out either 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after. Better still, you can stay away from that particular pair, currency or indices if there's any news coming up at that particular time. Make sure you do not force yourself to trade any pairs if it is against your technical analysis or your fundamental forex analysis. Make sure you only trade what you see according to your analysis. And before you go on to trade on any pairs or currency, make sure you use regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I draw some links to few forex brokers that I've used and I'm still using that do not have issue either withdrawing my money or depositing my fund. Make sure you trade on regulated forex broker. And before you go live, make sure you practice. Get used to the platform, to that MetaTrader4 or 5 you want to use, and see how it reacts to market before you go live. It is better you get used to the platform using demo account, that you do not need to risk any of your fund before you go live. It is important, and make sure you do that. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use these indicators that I've combined together. But before I go on, let me tell you this, that no single indicator is 100% accurate. You are not God, and you are not going to win 100% of your trade for a whole week. And that is why money management is important. Make sure you follow money management and do not be greedy. Follow your analysis. Now let me show you how to use this particular indicator. Now that you know no strategy or indicator is 100% accurate. As you yourself, you are not perfect. You are not 100% accurate in your decision. So do not expect any indicators or strategy to be 100% accurate. So hence, you must follow money management. So at the upper band of this particular indicator, I have this arrow here for a sell, and this is a good signal generated, and I have another buy signal generated here at the lower band, which is green, and this did deliver also. And the third signal here, I have another sell signal here at the upper band, and it did deliver. Here is another sell at the upper band, which is still going down right now. And this is how to use this particular strategy if you want to use this indicator alone. Here is a buy signal also that was generated here, and this did give us a few pips. Here is another buy signal that is not valid, though this touched the lower band here, and that was why this arrow was generated for a buy, just one candle. Most time I will prefer that I have few candles around this point before I take my trade. That does not make it invalid, but just make sure you use your stop loss is going to be few pips below the previous low for a buy signal, and few pips above the previous high for a sell signal. And this is how to use this particular indicator. You can use it on any time frame you want. It does not repaint, and the fact that it does not repaint does not make it 100% accurate. Here we have a sell signal, though it went down a little, though it gave us few pips, but this pairs keep on pushing higher, and we keep on having higher high here until this final point. And that is why it is important you combine at least two indicators together to come up with a good strategy. Here we have buy signal here, and here's another buy signal that did deliver, but this feel like 4 places before we have the final move that cleared the previous loss. And it is important you use stop loss to protect your profit. Now let me show you why I added this particular indicator here. This indicator that I added, this indicator is just to be sure that this particular signal generated here is going to deliver. Since we have all the time frame from 1 minute to 4 hours red here, then you might place this particular trade. It is not necessary that you use this indicator to filter it out. You can use other indicator to combine with this band Forex tools for a good signal, either for buy or sell. It is not necessary, but if you want to use this other indicator, you can use it, but the band is okay. The link to download all the indicators used in this particular video is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free, and do give me a thumb up if you like this particular video. As I said earlier, make sure you trade with a regulated forex broker, and check Forex Factory for your news or other news aggregator. Do not force yourself to take any trade. Make sure you follow money management. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.